Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys this cute little black wig from Eayon Hair. This unit is a side part. As you guys can see, the parting there. Now this is the unit straight out of the box. I have not done anything to it just yet. And of course, this is their closure unit. So this unit can be worn glueless. As you see the band, I'm going to show you guys now. The band here, it's adjustable, which is perfect. And then the little combs on the side. I personally prefer combs, especially with a closure wig. But this quality of hair was also super good. But unfortunately for me, I do have a larger head. So this one was just a bit too small for me, but it definitely still worked out. But just keep in mind, go ahead and check out the description box below, guys, if you are interested. This wig is super cute, and I'm just going to show you guys my simple install. I just did the normal. I bleached the knots. That was super easy to do with this unit, and then I just did a little bit of plucking, and that was also pretty easy, kind of being that this unit looked like it was pre-plucked, but I don't think it says like it's pre-plucked or whatever. But definitely go ahead and check this one out. Yeah, I think that's all the details that you guys really need about this unit. Super cute. If you're interested, definitely check out the description box, and thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you in the next one.